Did you know that Twitch has over 31 million daily active users? That's like having the population of Australia watching live streams every single day. Whether you're into gaming, cooking, or even just chatting, Twitch isn't just for fun. It's a legit way to make money. Now picture this. You're sitting in your room, streaming your favorite game, and suddenly, cha-ching, a donation pops up, or you hit that subscriber milestone. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, it's totally possible. And today I'm sharing 7 amazing ways to make money on Twitch that you can start using right away. Grab your snacks and let's jump into it. 1. Become a Twitch affiliate or partner. This is your first step toward making money on Twitch. Once you qualify as an affiliate or partner, you can earn through subscriptions, ads, and bits. Twitch is virtual currency. Fun tip: add some flair to your subscriber tiers. For example, subscribe at tier 2 to see me embarrass myself trying to sing while gaming. It works. Trust me. 2. Enable donations. Your viewers love supporting you, especially if you keep them entertained. Set up a donation link through platforms like PayPal or Streamlabs. Pro tip: create funny alerts for donations, like a GIF of you dancing or an air horn sound effect. Someone just donated $5, cue the dance off. 3. Run ads during streams. Once you're an affiliate or partner, you can run ads during your streams. While they might not be your biggest earner initially, they add up over time. Humor angle. Don't go anywhere. This 15-second ad helps me afford my instant noodles. 4. Offer exclusive content with subscriptions. Subscribers are the bread and butter of Twitch. Offer perks like exclusive emotes, behind-the-scenes content, or subscriber-only chats. Make it personal. Subscribe to unlock my secret weapon, bad jokes, and even worse gameplay. 5. Collaborate with sponsors. Brands are always looking for Twitch streamers to promote their products. Whether it's gaming gear, snacks, or even energy drinks, sponsorships can be a big payday. Pro tip: be authentic. I'm not just promoting this headset. I've personally tested how durable it is by dropping it 5 times. It survived. 6. Sell your own merchandise. If you've built a loyal audience, why not sell merch? T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, you name it. Use platforms like Stream Elements or Teespring to create and sell designs. Idea: get my Game Over hoodie. It's perfect for cozying up after a rage quit. 7. Host paid tournaments or events. Get creative with your streams. Host a tournament or event and charge a small entry fee. For example, $5 entry fee to compete in my Among Us tournament. Winner gets bragging rights and maybe a prize. So, which strategy are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more fun ways to make money online.